So this is a question from the subject basic thermodynamics, and it is a very easy and fundamental question, but still 99% of you guys are giving wrong answer to this question. It is a bit tricky question. It has an ambiguity. Let's discuss about that. The question is telling that work done in a cyclic process is equals to area under the PV diagram, area under the TS diagram, both A and B, and option D is information insufficient. Now let us analyze this problem. Suppose we have a cycle in a PV diagram. This is a cycle. So the area under this curve, we know that the area under the PV diagram is equals to PdV, and that is equals to the work done, work interaction, displacement work. So it is equals to the area under the PV diagram. That's 100% right. Okay. Now in option B, it is telling that area under TS diagram. This option is also correct. Why? Because although the area under the TS diagram is going to give you net heat interaction, but when you apply the first law of thermodynamics, del Q is equals to du plus del W, the du value is going to be 0 for a cyclic process. So del Q is equals to, so whether you are drawing a TS diagram or whether you are drawing the PV diagram, both are going to give the same work interaction or heat interaction. So correct answer to this question seems that it should be option C, both A and B. But here there is an ambiguity, here there is a catch in this question, that the question, जिसने भी इस क्वेश्चन को फ्रेम किया उसने यहाँ पे साइकिल कैसा है उसके बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दिया है. अभी तो ये साइकिल पूरी तरह से एक रिवर्सिबल साइकिल है, लेकिन अगर सपोज करो इस साइकिल, let us suppose that in this cycle there are 4 processes and one of these processes is an irreversible process. Now this cycle is going to be an irreversible cycle. Now you can't apply this formula of work done. Now the area under the curve will not give you the work done, right? So the question has an ambiguity that it hasn't mentioned that which kind of cycle it is talking about. So the correct answer is going to be information insufficient.